Wrth i ystyried bil amgylchedd Cymru i ni edrych ymlaen i glywed oddi wrth ymddodolaeth Cenedlaethol Cymru Comisiwn Henebion Cymru ac yn edrych ymlaen yn fawr i wrando ar y dystiolaeth ganddyn nhw.
This bill is about clarity, it's about anomalies, but it does have some interesting and quite radical and progressive measures as well.
I think the bill is needed, given that we know that there's protection already afforded to the historic environment by existing legislation through the planning system.
I think a well-managed, well-protected, looked after, cared for historic environment can make an incredible contribution to other strategic objectives, and I think within Wales an integrated approach to the historic environment is something that we all welcome. For that to work, you need really good legislation underpinning it, and you need one that's solid and robust and up to date, and one that really meets the needs of the people of Wales.